Hi there, ladies. Today we're going to talk about Instagram and self-esteem because they go together. We can't say no to social media. We can't say no to Instagram, but we gotta keep our self-esteem going, especially if we want to last on this platform. And so today I'm going to show you how you can build 1,000 followers without feeling your self-esteem get punched. Stay with me. Welcome everyone to today's episode. Well, I love Instagram. I love it. I'm addicted to it and I'm obsessed with it. But I make sure that I use Instagram mindfully. That's actually the key word. Be very aware that you are on that platform to be informed, to be entertained, to be inspired. Well, I really wanted to touch on this topic for a long time. So this is kind of long, so I've split it into 3. So this is part 1. My goal today is to make you feel so good about your profile and to be happy with your followers, even if there's just 10 or 20 of them. Because with that kind of attitude, you are going to be able to build your followers without losing your self-esteem. Whether we like it or not, seeing other people have so many likes and followers will affect us. But when you're just starting on Instagram, don't let that intimidate you because everyone started from one follower. It's probably their mom or their daughter. But see, you just have to focus on your own account because what you need to do is to be strong, to be tough while you're building your Instagram account. You don't want to be taken down or disheartened by all of the huge Instagram accounts that you see. Number 1, know your purpose for going on Instagram. You can be a user, a consumer, but you can also be a creator. So if you are a creator, you probably want to really build your brand. So when you're building your brand, you just got to know, what am I on Instagram for? You know, you want to share information? Do you want to entertain? Do you want to post your travel? Why are you there? Stick to that because your viewers will want to follow your journey if they're interested in your story. Once you've identified your brand and you're putting your post there, make sure you have a caption for every photo that you have. Talk about that photo. Relate it with your brand. Talk about it like the world is listening to you, even if you have only less than 10 followers. Because before you know it, these people are going to talk about your account and share your account. Be true to yourself. Post because that is what you really feel in your heart. Do not post because you're trying to copy someone. Eventually, you're going to lose interest. Post because this is your heart's content. When you do that, you don't even have any time to look at how everyone's growing. Be consistent with your posts. If you're trying to be a travel blogger, make sure that your post is all about traveling. It can also involve the food that you eat in restaurants while you're traveling because once someone sees your first content and they like what you're doing, they're going to like that photo and they might follow you if they like your profile. Now, if your next posts will not be related to your niche and that's not really what they're interested in, then that's when they unfollow. And I know how seeing so many followers and then suddenly the numbers drop can really hurt your feelings. If you believe that your niche is very valuable and is really providing great information, set a goal in terms of followers. Don't set a goal that's too high to achieve because then you feel so bad, right? Set a goal that's high enough to challenge you, but realistic enough that if you really work hard, you're gonna make it. That's actually what I did. My goal in 2021 was to just have 1,000 followers. I actually had 1,200 followers, and I now have more than that, and I'm not even counting. The followers just follow because I stay consistent. And I really love what I'm doing. And always be mindful that when you're on Instagram, you're going to see beautiful bodies, beautiful faces, like really smooth skin, beautiful hair. My hair, it reminds me it's really thinning. But it doesn't affect me. Why? That's their hair. I got my own hair. I got my own problems with my hair, so I'm going to focus on my hair. Post value-based content. Again, related to your brand or niche. Because somebody's going to share your interest. There will be someone there who likes what you do. So make sure that when you put a post, it's going to be something that will help them, or will inform them, or will entertain them. And that's how you get them to follow you. The reason we're talking about increasing your Instagram followers is not because you're trying to compete with your friend or your neighbor or whoever started on Instagram at the same time you did, but because we know, we gotta admit it, that seeing that we have followers or an increasing number of followers boosts our self-esteem. And we are here to boost your self-esteem. But we want you to do it right. We want you to grow organic followers. These are real people. People who will comment. People who will send you DMs, say like, I really like what you did. I really love your post. Hey, where are you from? Blah, blah, blah. So I get those DMs. And don't forget to reply to your DMs. Bottom line, you have to be happy about what you are doing. You're on Instagram because you like it. So you're posting because you are proud of your post. That is one way to really keep your self-esteem banner waving high. You gotta like what you're doing because you're proud of it. It's your work. It's your product. And you see, if somebody likes what you did, voila, that really, really boosts your self-esteem. So if you think this episode has boosted your self-esteem a little bit, don't forget to like it and share and comment and subscribe if you can, because we got lots coming in the next few weeks, and I really, really want to see an improvement in your self-esteem. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I have a blog. Check out the link to my blog below in the description so that you can read more about this topic. And I hope to see you next week. And I really, really want to hear from you as to how your Instagram has grown from now until next week. Remember, you don't have to have 500 followers right away. 1 follower is still definitely a step forward. Bye for now.